Where's your mom?
She's not here.
That's a lie. I know she's here. You need to go get her because your little sister hit my daughter with a toy. And now she has a bruise and she's going to get more bruises because of this. And we might have to take her to the doctor. So you need to go get your mom right now and tell her what has happened.
Please relax.
No, I'm not going to relax because Scarlett got hurt. Huh, Scarlett? What happened?
She shot the toy at me and hit my head in the back.
Exactly. Go get your mom.
Okay.